Breaking news, Jericho, napawaw at nag-init sa lindog ng nobyang si Janine. Nagbahagi ang bench body PH ng video ng kapamilya actress at Asia's rising star na si Janine Gutierrez kung saan so sexy ng dalaga. Ayon pa sa naging caption, neutral but never beige headache. At Janine Gutierrez is peeping hot in a two-piece set that turns head and raises temperatures. Proof that simplicity can still sizzle. Agad-agad namang napakomento ang nobyo ni Janine na si Jericho Rosales ng cheers, here's a fish. Marami namang funny ang natuwa sa naging komento ni Echo at isa't isa nga ay may naging hanash. At Jericho Rosales official, enticing her, that's so mean. At Jericho Rosales official, kilig. At Jericho Rosales official, it is indeed a feast. At Jericho Rosales official, your baba is so hot. At Jericho Rosales official, kilig yarn, what a beautiful sight, sexy, but not bastos. Like what Nay Maricel Soriano said, diba? Mr. Pogi, I love Echo Nien. At Jericho Rosales, ow. At Jericho Rosales official, thanks for good comment about your baba. Always comment for Janine, not only in your ex. She is yours. Past ni Janine is yours. Present. Get mo, Echo? Love na love ko si Nini. Don't make her cry. Ganda and hot ni Idol. Sizzling. For Janine, ikaw na nga pinaka-sexy sa lahat. Ala ng iba. Perfect body and sexy. Janine can show how. Just a little bit of skin and still sizzle. Sexy yet classy. Oops. So hot. So gorgeous. Yummy and sexy. Stunning and gorgeous as always and brainy with humility. You're the best baba from Milan. Ang hot ni Pretty Janine. Daang Idol at Jericho Rosales official. Only the best for you. So sexy, Miss Janine Gutierrez. That curves and gorgeous face. Be a makana. At Janine Gutierrez, nakaka-insecure ka. Hu. Sexy. Classy, woman, natural beauty, super pretty, sexy, and classy. Well, kahit naman sino mapapawaw at mag-iinit sa kaseksihan at kurbadang katawan ni Janine, na bagay ang ganito mga suot. Tama nga sinasabi nila na classy at hindi bastusin kapag si Janine na nagsuot ng two-piece bikini or swimsuit. Pak na pak talaga. Lavern ka ba? Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, comment down below.